In my last video, I collected this, a 1973 VW Beetle. It had been sitting for over 10 years, and let me tell you, it's in pretty bad shape. So before I can even start the rebuild, I've got to get this thing clean. So let's dive right in. The more that I look at this car, the more I'm concerned that this build won't be possible. But let's keep on doing what we can to make progress in getting this Beetle back on the road. We're going to start off with these extremely dirty mags and wheels. I'm going to use three things. Obviously this, a tire brush for the outside, this for the spokes and in between the actual mag, as well as a cloth for the face. Let's get right in. A couple of you have mentioned to me that these mags are actually really rare and unique. However, unfortunately, I've only got 3. And anyway, I will be changing them. So if you're wanting them, let me know down below. Now that it's rinsed off and all the mags and wheels are done, I'm going to go ahead and snow foam the entire car just to get that initial layer of dirt, grime and 10 years of nonsense off of the car. I'll let this sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse over the entire car. Now I'll move on to the sponge and wash the entire vehicle. As I clean this car, the paint is looking really good. I'd like to hear from you guys if we should keep it this color or change it to a new one. Now I can rinse and move on to drying. Now for some bad news. I did have a panel beater come and have a look at the rust on the exterior and interior, and there are some serious concerns about certain panels and whether we'd actually even be able to fix them. So if you have any solutions, please let me know. I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Now on to ensuring that this glass is as clean as possible. Now I'll move on to wiping the mags and then doing the dressing on the outside of the tire. And here's a look at the before and after. This is one beautiful car. And there you have it. It is looking a million times better from the exterior. A very small part of the build series, but already I'm getting excited being able to see more of this car and the potential of this insane rebuild. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll dive into the interior and start stripping it just before it goes in for the all-important engine work. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.